Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating or selecting a focus so notifications match what you need. Open Settings, tap Focus, then plus or pick a profile. This immediately scopes alerts. Next, choose people and apps you want to allow through. That's why Focus works. It filters interruptions. Once done, set Smart Activation or a manual toggle so it starts automatically or when you want it. Make sure to enable home screen or lock screen options to hide distracting badges and pages while Focus runs. You now tailor how Focus behaves so it matches specific tasks. Tap Focus filters to control mail, messages, and other app content. This reduces noise from apps showing non-essential items. Once done, decide on time-sensitive permissions and whether repeat calls or emergency bypasses are allowed. That balances accessibility with quiet. Then add automations. Set a time range, a location, or opening an app to turn Focus on automatically. Make sure to enable iCloud syncing if you want the same focus across your devices. Complete setup by testing the focus so you confirm that it blocks and allows correctly. Turn it on, send a test message, and open apps that should be filtered. This proves the rules. If it doesn't activate, check focus status sharing, do not disturb overlap, and screen time limits. Those commonly conflict. Should problems persist, try recreating the focus or toggling sync off and on. Finally, update iOS because bug fixes often resolve odd behavior. This gets you reliably uninterrupted focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.